This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Aaron Morris. Bring your dreams and make this gorgeous Hancock County property everything you've ever wanted in a mountain getaway. Large pole barn is concreted with finished drywall, wiring and lighting, exterior outlets, commercial roll-up doors at each end and more. The building was recently used for automotive storage and repair. The flat partially fenced pasture backs up to Panther Creek and plenty of mountainside. A short commute to the Great Smoky Mountains, Knoxville, and Kentucky. This property is minutes to all the outdoor activities and provides opportunity to turn the concrete barn into a barndominium. Bring your horses and cattle, this is a perfect mini farm. Must see to appreciate all the possibilities this land offers while relaxing by the year-round creek that flows through the acreage. For more